Oh, what do we have here? Today we have biker decapitates himself trying to get away from a GSP Ford Mustang. Damn. All right, we got a motorcycle. Where's the volume at, though? Is the police guy his head on? I mean, his lights on? What's going on? I'm gonna sit his head. I didn't mean to say that. Okay, we got volume now. We got action.
301 North coming back into the city. It's gonna be occupied.
I got a question for you guys. When you guys are trying to get away from the cops, what are you thinking? What do you think is gonna happen? Even if you get away, they got your license plate number. Then they'll get your name. They'll get all the info that they need. They literally have every tool at their disposal to catch you. So why the fuck do you think this is a smart idea? This is never a good idea, bro. If they turn their lights on you, just pull over. Especially on a bike. And we're going on the other side of the road. Damn. He can't get too close to him. He don't want to hit him and fuck him up.
We're coming into in the city limits now.
I didn't know cops could be that close on a bike when they're in pursuit. They can do that. I didn't know that. And we in a small country town. I hate going through these type of towns in the morning when everybody trying to get to work. This shit sucks.
Coming up on 520.
Oh God.
Red light, just ran the red light. Clear.
This cop got some sense. You see how he stopped? Most people would have been fucking, they would have just been going full steam ahead and then BOW!
Coming up on Brantley Street. Alright, he just laid it down, 1050. He just got ejected, 1050. Go ahead and get EMS to me.
Where the fuck did he go? Hold on. What the fuck?
Clear.
What happened? That's him up there, right? Right there. Oh shit, I see it.
He just laid it down.
Oh!
He just got ejected, 1050.
Oh damn!
Get EMS to me.
Oh! Oh fuck! Oh!
Oh, Waycross, he's gonna be decapitated. His head is
Oh!
decapitated. Go ahead, send me everybody you got.
Oh my God! Yo! He just lost his whole head?
569 is clear.
Well, I guess they can't do CPR on him because, you know, his head is like not on his body anymore.
76 on the 509.
That is crazy, bro. You are literally driving and then 15, 20 seconds later, you're gone.
10-4. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Waycross, ain't much I can do. I gotta do CPR. His head is decapitated.
Obviously, bro. You can't do CPR. Look, everybody that's gonna be passing by is gonna be driving real fucking slow. Real slow. I would be one of those people.
Oh, man.
I'm pretty sure they wish they didn't see that shit. That is some gnarly shit. Oh my God. Don't open the door, dude. Oh, he's gonna cover it up.
Sir. I'm gonna try to cover him up as much as I can.
Oh my God.
Yeah, let's try to cover him up. If I got another one, I would do so. I'm gonna check and see if I got another one, and then we'll go from there.
Oh my God. How did he lose fucking control like that, though? That's what I want to know, bro, because that was fucking wicked. Did y'all see the air that he caught though? Jesus Christ, bro. Holy smokes.
Y'all got another sheet? You got another sheet? I won't try to cover his head up, but I try to get his body as much as I can.
Oh, fuck. I wouldn't have appetite for the rest of the day. Shit.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
How do you even react to some shit like that, bro? Like, what do you say? Like, how do you tell the victim's family? Fuck. That is wild, bro. To sit there and be chasing somebody and he wasn't even on, bro. Bro was like a good, you know.
I got something to cover his head up with.
Oh, that's his fucking.
Oh. Leg cross. I don't want nobody to be, you know.
Oh.
Cause you know everybody's about to. Okay. You know everybody's about to start snapping pictures. So.
Oh. I didn't want to see that shit. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. What the fuck? Oh my God. Bro. Woo. I ain't, boy. I ain't never running from the cops, especially on no damn bike. Oh my God. That is fucking gruesome. Oh man. Oh fuck.
Hey, yo. Man, I ain't never seen nothing like that.
Me neither.
Yeah, well, he was speeding. Come by me speeding. I got behind him. He slowed down. And when I hit my lights, he lit it up and went down. I guess he tried to make this turn. I don't know if he could handle it or not, but he laid it down, and all I see him was laying down. And he just separated.
Oh, that is fucked up. That is so fucked up. And he gone. Ain't no coming back from that.
789 way across.
They ain't got like no video showing how like it actually happened.
This 28 is gonna be through Idaho. I believe it's gonna be Charles Adams 7435. Charles Adams 735. Let me know if you get in on that one. Just stick it in the notes for the time being. You can barely see it. It's loaded up under the stuff.
What the fuck? All you had to do is pull over, bro.
Hey, y'all got something?
You see how simple it is? Like how fast a dumb decision can fuck up your whole life? Like, come on now, bro. How hard would it be just to pull over?
Y'all got something to cover that up? Go ahead.
Damn.
Yeah, I'll have that sitting there. Yes, sir. I'm right across from Family Dollar and Southeastern Bank.
Damn.
Yeah.
Woo. That's tough right there. That is fucking tough, bro.
10-4, I'm clear. Hey, y'all got crime scene tape?
You know they in the South somewhere.
White Cross, EMS, and Deputy City Unit Sergeant 3. Be advised, we did cover up the head and the body.
Ooh, thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. Jesus Christ, bro. That was wow. Wow. But that's it, baby. We out.